Once you finish your CoSpaces project, click on the Share button in the top right. Then, click on Share Now. Next, you're going to click on Share Unlisted. Next, enter your project's name, description, and then if you want others to be able to copy their own version, be able to edit, then check that box. Otherwise, click Share Unlisted. Now you will be on the share screen that others will be able to see. To get the URL to share, click on the Share Link button. And now here's the shareable direct link that you can give to others for them to be able to see your project. You also have the QR code and embed code that you can use in other places as well. Once you're back in your project, to get the share link again, click on the share button in the top right and you have a shortcut to the share link. If you make any changes to your project, you will need to click on the Update CoSpace button so others can see the latest version of your project.